So hello, if you want to know how to set your kilometers per hour and miles per hour on the Eskute M100 or the Notino Plus or other Eskute bikes with the same screen and controller, this is the video to watch. I'm going to make it very short, very simple and very easy for you. Right, so first of all, turn the power on and you'll see the screen come up nice and bright and displayed in front of you. So once it's in zero, you then have to press and hold for 2 seconds the plus button and the minus button. This will take you into a password mode, and once you go into the password mode, the password for this screen is 1314. You've got an I button on the side, so you press across to go across your different numbers. On the first number you need to press up for 1, go across to the second one, press 3, and then go across to the third one, and you press 1, and then go across again with the information button, and you press the up button to go to 4. And we press I again, you'll see it opens up the display, and we are now in 01P. This is the programmer mode. So to change your kilometers per hour, all you've got to do is go up to the next one, and you'll see that's KPH, KPH. We drop the I button on the side, and it starts flashing at the KPH, and we just flick it over to miles. It's very, very simple. You can see it changing there and there. It's going from miles to kilometers. And once you put it in mile per hour, you press the I button and hold the I button. It goes back to the screen. You'll now see the display is in miles per hour. So let me just run through that again. Put it down to 0, plus and minus button, hold it. Once you go into the programmer mode, you have to put in the password. So we go 1, I, 3, I, 1, I, 4, I, number 2, which is KPH, I again, down to the bottom, kilometers per hour, press and hold the I, and you'll see it's now in kilometers per hour. Okay, very, very simple, very, very easy. That's all there is to it for changing the miles per hour to KPH from MPH, MPH to KPH. Very, very simple and easy. Ciao for now, thanks for watching. If you want to know anything else about the Eskute programmers, please drop me a line in the comments and I will get back to you straight away. If you want to watch more, find out the video that goes right through this list. It's up in the top corner and I'll go through the whole programmer for you and try and explain everything. Ciao for now.